Welcome. This is my eyebrow tutorial video. As you can see, I'm going to start by putting a little bit of gel kind of edge control on my brows. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush them out a little bit, making sure they're going in the right direction. Now I'm going to go ahead and start carving out that bottom area. I just want to go right under my eyebrow line. I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, so I didn't want to do really too much. You're going to do light strokes. Then I'm going to go ahead to the top and then fill in as needed. Again, you do want to do light strokes in the beginning of your brow just so it looks more natural. As you can see, I'm kind of going to start my line and then lightly kind of go over that and fill that in. After that, of course, I'm going to brush the hairs out, making sure everything is blended. I will say to make sure that you brush throughout the whole eyebrow so that everything is blended in. You don't want to just do the front and then the back half is not blended. Now I'm going to start with my concealer. As you can see, I'm going right under my brow. I'm going to make sure that my line is nice and sharp. Next, I'm going to be blending everything in on the eyelid, just making sure that everything is covered. In the case I did miss this step, just make sure when you conceal the brow that you bring the product all the way down, or you can just add a little bit more product to your eyelid so that you can blend the whole eyelid. And this is my finished look, you guys. Thank you for watching.